Okay, well, I had to start over. So, here's our boar goat. Hi, baby. And this is on our property. Come on. You want to come out? Ooh, there she goes. I'm hoping she's pregnant. I had her bred at the end of August with a 8-month-old boar goat baby. So I'm hoping everything's cool there. Come here, Leia. She's got a little dog collar on. She's happy. She's out. She won't be stuck in that nasty pen anymore. Huh, girl? All right. Here's your good baby. Come here. Come here. She's like, nope, I want leaves. All right, and there's Remington. Hi, buddy. You want to hang out? All right. Well, if you like my video, share it or subscribe to it. I have a lot of home improvements to do, as you can see. I have to put some siding on our house. And then back here, I have a perfect garden spot now. We moved our chickens out to the back. We have another spot out there. I moved them out so I could have, stay Rem, this garden spot that I need to clean up. Stay. It's a good spot for a garden. And I have some seeds up in my window in the house, but I gotta get my rototiller out here and fix this up. This is my chicken coop that my husband and brother and my kids made for my chickens. This thing is like high tech. It is big. It's big enough to live in. So, it's kind of dirty at the moment, but they love it. So, alright. Well, if you like my video and stuff, subscribe. So I can get things going. There's my pot. I'll be moving the shed over here. So, alright. Have a good day.